how to download Screensaver for Mac. Go to Google and search Flickr. Now click on first link. In this page, click on right toggle. Here you can see this clock is available for Mac, Windows and iOS. For iOS it's a paid version. Click for Mac. Now you can see it's in my download folder. So go to the download folder. Now search for it. Click on it. Now click on Screensaver. Now open. Click on Install into computer. Install. Write a password. Now in your system preferences, Screensaver section, and here you can see in the last Flickr Screensaver. Click on it and you can see how it's look like. It's look like amazing, guys. I hope guys you love this, and if you love this, please like, share and subscribe. JustTechYash.